Hello everyone. We are back with another fantastic update to your full scope tools. Today we're in the website builder where we have rolled out brand new templates to help you better use our new mega menu feature for your website's navigation menu. So if you pop over here on the left to the add elements plus icon here, if you come down to pre-built sections and mega menu headers, we now have a couple pre-done headers for your website that utilize these new mega menu options so that you can just get started and get your website's navigation menu up and running quickly and easily. So let's just say I'm going to drag this one over here. I'll be replacing my old menu, so I can just delete that. And of course, let's say maybe you don't need the content here, you can just delete it. But now I have a menu that has a whole bunch of options that include, as you'll see if you click on any of them, a pre-done mega menu. So it has some nice icons. It has everything laid out already. If I click a couple others here, you have some different options that will hopefully be helpful to you. And again, just templates always help you hit the ground running rather than starting from scratch and having to figure everything out button by button. So this is a great way to get going. Of course, anything you don't need, you can remove, and you'll obviously be tweaking this for your own business and your own needs. But templates like this are just going to get you a finished website that much more quickly. So take full advantage of these templates. They're here to help you. And of course, we are here to help you as well. If you have any questions or need some guidance while you're using the website builder, just pop over to our support portal, send a message to our support team, and they will be happy to help.